71 Dodge Challenger RT triple black.
First up is a 1967 Barracuda fastback. Followed by a 1930s Chrysler. And a 1964 GTO, the very first year of the GTO. This is the one that became the iconic muscle car. This one still has its original 389 and tri-power. Next to that is a 1969 Mustang GT. This one notchback. Next to that is a wrecked 1972 Dodge Challenger. And possibly one of the best all-around muscle cars, the 1971 Boss 351. This one is completely junk though. Saddest car there though, in this grouping, is this poor 1979 Little Red Express truck. It had been fully restored by the owner, and from what I believe happened, it ended up in a ditch and rolled, and now it sits here, eventually going to be parted out for a few of the other Little Red Expresses on the property.
Over there are two 71 Mach 1 and Boss 351 Mustangs. '70 Barracuda. Another 70 Barracuda. '71 Dodge Challenger RT triple black with the very rare wide hood molding. And there's another 70 Challenger right over there, along with a variety of other cars.